Ever wondered how your body builds proteins from genetic code? Let's take a quick journey from RNA to protein, the magical process called translation. Translation is the final step in the central dogma of molecular biology. It's the process where messenger RNA, or mRNA, is decoded to build a protein. This happens in the cytoplasm, where ribosomes do the heavy lifting. Here's who's involved. mRNA carries the genetic message. tRNA brings amino acids. Ribosomes read the message and assemble the protein. Each tRNA matches a three-letter mRNA codon with its amino acid. Translation happens in 3 steps. Initiation. Ribosome attaches to mRNA at the start codon AEOG. Elongation, tRNAs bring amino acids, forming a chain. Termination. The process stops at a stop codon. The result, a brand new protein chain. Every 3-letter codon in mRNA corresponds to 1 amino acid. It's like a language. AUG means methionine, UU means phenylalanine, and so on. This code is universal, shared by almost all living organisms. After translation, the amino acid chain folds into a functional protein. These proteins do everything, from building tissues to speeding up reactions. This is how genes turn into action. From a strand of RNA to a functioning protein, life depends on this elegant process. Subscribe to learn more about the biology behind every cell.